today I have my Ipsy September Glam bag. I do pay for this myself. So let's go ahead and jump into it. It says that this month is more is more. And these are the products that I got in here. So we will go through each one of them. And then we have sneak peeks for next month. We have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip. We have some brushes and a Morphe micro brow. I need to start like putting a reminder or something, because how do you guys keep up with when you need to like pick your product? This month I was not able to do a choice because by the time I remembered it was too late. So give me some tips on how you guys keep up with it. But this is the bag for September. It's pink and then blue, and then we have the little heart with gems. It kind of reminds me of like the infinity stones. If y'all know, you know. But let's go ahead and get into it. First thing in here is the e.l.f. Skin. This is the bronzing drops in copper gold. I actually applied it to my face underneath my makeup. Do I look more bronzy? I'm not sure. But this is full size and is $12. It's supposed to warm up your complexion. It says to mix it in with like your serum, so that's what I did. And that's what it looks like by itself. But when you apply a serum to it, it's gonna be like a lighter type of vibe to it. So definitely apply it with a serum. I think it looks way better if you like dilute it. But they sent me the shade number 3. I think I would use this a lot like when I'm on vacation for like, especially I feel like my legs or this kind of like area on my face. When I mixed it in with the serum and then applied it to my face, I kind of felt like it looked a little muddy. I'm not sure if anyone has had that experience with it. I'll keep testing it out, but I feel like maybe I need to dilute it more or use less of it, because I use 2 drops, so maybe I just should use 1 just to give like a little bit of bronziness without overdoing it, because they did send me a shade that's pretty dark. Next thing in here is the Purifict CEO of H2O. This is a hyaluronic acid facial serum, and it looks like this is super tiny. It's very thick, which I appreciate because I do have drier skin, and it felt really nice and hydrating on the skin. It was so funny because I started recording this and realized that I didn't do the try on, but a lot of this is skincare, so I did test it out before doing my makeup today, but forgot to film it. But next we have the Blink, and that one right there, the little deluxe sample, the full size is $14.99, and it has 97% natural ingredients. Next we have the Blink Eye Cream Eye Repair Peptide Complex, and this is $38. It feels really, really nice. This is a little sample size. I don't mind tiny little skincare samples because sometimes it's good to try new skincare. And another thing is I love those tiny ones when I travel, because your girl loves to travel, and that way like I don't have to worry about like trying to fit something into a smaller bottle. I just can take this with me. Then we have something that I didn't even open, because this is a matte face primer, and just by the look of this I can tell that this is one of those very mattifying face primers that is not good for my dry skin. Which is kind of like a little upsetting, because like you take a test to do like this Ipsy, like you take a quiz, and I'm like, I have dry skin, and they're like, here, mattifying for oily skin. But I am gonna send this. That's why I didn't even open it, because I'm gonna send it to my goddaughter, because she does have oilier skin, and I think that she would appreciate this. And that's something that I don't mind sometimes about Ipsy is, or these different subscription boxes, is the fact that if I don't like something, I could gift it or give it forward. As long as like a few of the products work for me, then I'm happy. Then last we have the Kors Bounce Firming Moisturizer. This was really nice and hydrating, and it had a nice kind of like cucumber clean scent to it. And it says it lifts and replenishes, and again, a nice little travel size for me to pop into my travel bag. And overall, I feel like, yeah, oh my God. This travel size is worth $29. Okay, I guess. But yeah, and then it says that this one is full size and this is $20. So we got two full size products in here, the e.l.f. and this primer. So pretty good for this month. Overall, I have to say this is just like a meh month for me. I don't mind skincare, but I kind of, I don't know, like I was missing something that really drew me in, whether it was a brand that I really love or something like that. But overall, it's okay. It's an okay month for me. Let me know what your choice was. Please, someone give me a hint as to how you remember when to actually select your choices. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. I have socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.